Many choose Sardinian for its emerald waters. But whoever knows how to look beyond discovers something much deeper. We are Claudia and Barbara, and today we are going to take you to where it all began, the Domus de Janas.
The Domus de Janas that are behind me are situated in the region that over here in Sardinia is called Regenta. We are talking of an amazing area that is everything is green over here, and it's made with amazing small hills smoothed by millions of years of wind and rain. What are the Domus de Janas? The Domus de Janas in Sardinian language means house of the fairies. These are the Domus de Janas. These are beautiful tombs of the Neolithic time. Follow me. These beautiful tombs, they have been excavated by the Prehistoric people 4,000 years BC. Now, let's try to get inside. We are inside the Domus de Janas. This is the door from which I went inside. And this would have been the door where they would be brought inside the body. Again, the Domus de Janas is a tomb. So this place where I'm walking, it is the place where they would have been put the bodies.
When I bring my guests here, we don't just look at history. You can feel its weight. What makes this experience unique is not only the archaeology, it's intimacy. On our tours, we take the time these stones require. No crowds, no rush. Just you, the landscape, and the stories of the Janas. If you're looking for the authentic soul of Sardinia, join us.
We are Claudia and Barbara, and we created Jana Tour!